Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome to the Hiking Chef's Kitchen. Today, we're taking a delicious detour from the trails to showcase a mouthwatering delight straight from Palermo Bakery in sunny San Dimas. Get ready for the famous avocado toast. So let's dive into the magic that makes this avocado toast a sensation. It all starts with a slice of perfectly toasted sourdough bread, giving you that satisfying crunch with every bite. Next, a bed of fresh spinach is carefully placed on top, providing a vibrant burst of color and healthy touch to this delightful creation. Ah, the star of the show, sliced avocado, creamy, buttery, and packed with nutrients. It adds that luscious richness that makes this avocado toast truly irresistible. But wait, there's more. A chopped fried egg finds its way onto the flavor-packed masterpiece, adding a delightful texture and a savory twist. Can't forget the cheese. Shredded Parmesan cheese is generously sprinkled on top, lending its nutty, salty goodness to the mix. And for that extra pop of flavor, a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning takes this avocado toast to a whole new level. Last but not least, a drizzle of tangy balsamic vinaigrette brings it all together, creating a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing with joy. And there you have it, folks, the famous avocado toast from Palermo Bakery in San Dimas. So get ready to take a trip to Flavortown and try this sensational creation for yourself. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures with the Hiking Chef.